Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the motor in your Dyson SV47 vacuum cleaner. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can accomplish it efficiently. ### tools required. 1. Screwdriver set. You'll need a set of both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers. 2. Torx bit set. Specifically, a T15 Torx bit will be required for certain screws. 3. Pliers. A pair of needle nose pliers will be helpful for gripping small components. 4. Torque wrench, to ensure that all screws are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. 5. Soft cloth, for cleaning internal components safely. ### step-by-step instructions. 1. Preparation. Start by ensuring that your vacuum is unplugged. This is crucial for your safety. Lay the vacuum on a soft surface to avoid scratching it. 2. Remove the bin. Detach the dust bin from the vacuum. This will give you better access to the motor assembly. 3. Unscrew the cover. Using your screwdriver, carefully unscrew the cover of the motor housing. Remember to keep the screws in a safe place, you'll need them later. 4. Disconnect the wiring. Before you proceed, gently disconnect the wires attached to the motor. Take a picture of the connections if needed, so you can refer back when installing the new motor. 5. Clean the internal components. While you have access, take this opportunity to clean the internal components using a soft cloth. This will help your new motor perform optimally. 6. Remove the old motor. Carefully lift out the old motor from its housing. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from any clips. 7. Install the new motor. Place the new motor into the housing. Ensure it fits snugly and aligns with the screw holes. 8. Reconnect the wiring. Attach the wires back to the new motor, referring to the picture you took earlier if necessary. Make sure the connections are secure. 9. Replace the cover. Position the cover back over the motor housing and fasten it with the screws. Make sure it's tightly secured to prevent any issues during use. 10. Reattach the bin. Finally, reattach the dust bin to the vacuum. 11. Test the vacuum. Plug the vacuum back in and turn it on to test the new motor. Ensure it operates smoothly without any unusual noises. If you find that this process is beyond your comfort level, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with any issues you face. Additionally, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about any transportation. No calls, no travel, just a simple, straightforward service. And before any repair, you'll receive a quote so you know exactly what to expect. This concludes our guide on replacing the motor in a Dyson SV47. With the right tools and steps, you can successfully replace the motor and keep your vacuum running efficiently for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.